Welcome to Jagriti Yatra 2012. The largest train adventure on this planet. We want to create 10 lakh entrepreneurs who will then create another 100 lakh jobs. A 1.2 billion nation, which is going to be 1.36 in the next 10 years, requires solutions which march to our own needs. It doesn't require solutions which are replicated or old.
I'm Shadab. I'm Ratandeep Dhoni.
My name is Sangeeta Kumari.
Myself, Sharik Usman.
And I'm from Ranchi.
From a small village in Kerala.
I am from Bihar. My name is Jessica.
I'm 19 years old.
I'm from London.
I am an architect.
I am Khalid Jafri.
I'm 21 years old.
I'm currently studying in second
I
year
am
of computer
Danish,
science.
Danish Mir from Kashmir. I'm 22 years old.
टेंशन तो नहीं हो रही, लेकिन हाँ ये लग रहा है कि 15-16 दिन ट्रेन में ही कैसे सब कुछ, क्योंकि घर जाते हैं 2 दिन तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है। अब 15 दिन कंटिन्यूस ट्रेन में ही रहना तो ये थोड़ा अजीब सा भी लग रहा है, बट ये भी लग रहा है चलो करके देखते हैं।
These things are worth sacrificing, I think. I learned to live with minimum resources and I'm adapting to it. I think I'm adapting pretty fast.
You know, we don't even have to know each other's name because we know that we are Jagriti Yatris. There's a badge over here, right, on each person's thing. Directly go and say, oh, Sumangal, hi, I'm Rasing. From where are you?
Selco is a social enterprise which is all about solar power, and this entire campus that you see is off the grid.
I like the community, their outreach to the village, keeping the village as such. They are trying to improve their lifestyle. The thing is that doing well by doing good, that concept Selco has implemented. It's important to have a enterprise concept. That is what I see here. It reminded me of my village. Though I am a little bit skeptical, the next time I will come here, I am not very sure if the forest will be here.
So the best part of the journey, it's the greenery actually, which you don't see. This expanse, it actually opens you up, and somewhere you get back to the basics. That's it.
I was always trying to seek the balance between social entrepreneurship and commercial entrepreneurship. I always thought that there must be some space in between these two things where an entrepreneur can explore something. And Arvind Eye Care is the perfect role model for that, because they are doing something hugely good for the society, and at the same time they are hugely profitable also.
I belong to a place, Varanasi, which is in Uttar Pradesh. It's like a place where girls, they have not been given so much freedom to travel around and go around. So I have this fear of going around and travel around, that something wrong will happen. After coming here, I met few women who actually went to the rural areas. So that gave me a lot of courage. Yeah, you can do it. You just don't have to think about it. You can actually take a step ahead and go for it.
hearing from a lot of people that Chennai usually is very stuffy and all the time, and this kind of weather is actually a blessing. And when we came onto the platform, it was really beautiful, the whole lake and everything.
For what I'm looking for last 4 or 5 days of this yatra, I've really got it here. The solution for real India exactly. Those villages who are always left out of the technological advancement, R&D and whatever the things may be. At least Ilango has provided most of the things.
It's a huge challenge to make tasty food and healthy food for 450 people and still give them variety every time, every day. Even mom is happy. Like when I told her that itna khane ko milega acha, she's like now tension free.
I think the issue of water that they have solved, that whole thing of water harvesting or that well that they have created, that's just brilliant. Like that is the answer for all these areas. Like even if I think of Jharkhand also, we have these hills and we have, this kind of a water stream. So that I think is the best, solution.
The sense of community is, really it has built up a lot. This has become more like a family sort of a thing. Everybody is ready to help and everyone is looking out for everyone else.
I know that I haven't seen much of India. We have touched several sports and I saw it from a very protected environment. Still, I felt the diversity.
I have confidence now that yes, I can also do something good. It doesn't matter if I can bring a change at national level or state level. No, it doesn't matter at what level, but I can do something good.
It's been like a journey of transformation. My perception about the life is changing.
When I came to the Yatra, it was more of like the me and the problems around. Now it's like the world and me in it.